So you made an amazing video, and your most loyal followers have seen it, liked it, commented, and it's over. The video spiked, and now it's been weeks, maybe it's been months, and no new activity for this video. What can you do to bring it back to life? So when we talk about YouTube CPR, we're talking about getting the algorithm to remember that your video exists and that it needs to be watched. Now, there are a few things you can do that will help, but I want you to know all of them so you have all the potential strategies that you can implement. Now, you can link the old video from your Instagram, the bio, or in the story. They can link right there. You can make a Facebook post. You can even create a trailer version, like highlights from your video, maybe 20 seconds or under, and then have a link above it to the full version. You can even make a Twitter post with the link. Even send the link to individuals in a DM, a direct message through all the different platforms. All these things can help, but there's one of the most unique and powerful ways you can do, and that's to create a new video. Now you're thinking, what do you mean a new video? I'm trying to get them to the old video. What is a new video going to do? Well, here's the thing you can do.
So while he goes on and on in a way that you really don't understand using too many words, let's talk about it like this. So here's all these different videos, and here is yours. It's perfect, it's exactly as it needs to be, but nobody really notices it because they see all of these things right here. Now, all of a sudden, everybody's talking about this guy, and it's just like so much content's being made, and all of a sudden you notice that. Here's the strategy. You make this new video right here, this guy, and because they're interested in this, they click on your video. But in the meantime, you talk about this. You say, oh, and by the way, I'm going to mix in this little thing here. And at the end of the video, on the end screen, you say, by the way, I made a video about that thing. And here it is. Click over here to see that video. You mixed the trending topic with the new topic. And then link to your old original video. That's the strategy.
And the moment you bring up the older video, just use footage from that as B-roll in this new trending, exciting video. And when the algorithm sees those views, it's going to say, hey, people are interested in this again, and it's going to start recommending people to that video. It's that simple. Make a list of all the old videos that you feel are watch-worthy, that should be watched even though they're not getting views. Make another list of the ways that you can mention those videos in a new exciting video. If you want to watch maybe a playlist or something of awesome other little tips that I've got, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribing. Until next time, God bless.